Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the deleted portion by the NCERT in subject physics. Now as you observe here, physics code is 042 for class 11th. So they have given clear idea about the topics, and from that topics which are the points they have deleted. For example, see here in chapter 1. The name of the chapter 1, it is physical world. From this chapter, physics, scope and excitement, nature of physical laws, physics, technology and society, these points are deleted. Okay, so this is for the chapter 1. There is directly come towards the chapter 3 because there is no point deleted from chapter 2. In chapter 3, the name of the chapter is motion in a straight line. The deleted points you observe here, that frame of reference, motion in a straight line, position time graph, speed and velocity. Means from this chapter you have to refer these points, that these are deleted points from the syllabus, and this is only for the year 2020-2021 because of the pandemic situation arises due to COVID-19. So these are the chapter name and points related to that chapter I have shared here, and explained also how to take the review of these points, means how to read this and how to understand that which point is deleted. Okay, now come towards the last row. In this, it is given about the practicals. Now in the practicals, no investigatory project and activity to be demonstrated. Means you are skipped from the project and activity demonstration. 8 experiments in place of 12, means they have deleted 4 experiments. That means out of 12 experiments you can perform any 8 experiments, and that is clubbed based on skills. Okay, your teacher will decide that which experiments you have to perform, that any 8 you can perform out of 12. This is for the class 11th. Similarly, for the class 12th, we observe here the same pattern is given for the chapter name and its points. So here it is given the list of topics with the points for the class 12th, and at the last for the practicals, same as per the 11th. No investigatory project and activity to be demonstrated, means project and activities are deleted, and you have to perform any 8 experiments in place of 12, means no need to perform all 12 experiments, any 8 chosen by your teacher you have to do, but that must be clubbed based on skills, means skill based practicals experiments you have to perform in the class 12th. So those students who are appeared for the class 11th in 2021, you have to delete the portion of 11th class only, and those who are appeared for the class 12th, those have to refer only for the class 12th syllabus, and this is only for the exam that are to be conducted in year 2021. So hope you understand this. Okay, same concepts in detail videos you will observe in my channel. If you like our videos, then please subscribe, share with your friends and like our videos. Thank you.